Good morning, everyone. So, in the next module, I have learned about the liquidity ratio, then valuation ratio, and the securities. So, talking about the liquidity ratio, as the name suggests, liquidity. So, it indicates how quickly our company can convert its current assets into cash so that it can pay off its liabilities timely. Then basically we have seen two types of liquidity ratio. The very first is current ratio and second one is quick ratio. Current ratio tells us about how all the current assets can be converted into cash so that we can pay off our current liabilities. The formula for current ratio is current assets upon current liabilities. And on the other hand, quick ratio tells us about how quickly we can convert all those assets into cash. In quick ratio, the difference is that we need to exclude the inventory and prepaid expenses from the current assets, and rest we have to divide it with the current liabilities. And the second one was valuation ratio. So valuation ratio tells us about the profitability of a company. The very important one in the valuation ratio is price to earning ratio. Then talking about the securities.